Tell me what you put in these cookies here.
Dog shit.
Oh, geez, they were tasty.
Your flour, Michelle.
Oh, no wonder they came out so lovely.
Smell flour.
Yeah. That's right.
Oats.
Oats? Raw honey?
Raw honey, huh? Molasses.
Wow.
It's really good. Butter.
And butter. And when did you make these?
Today.
Oh, really? You made these today? How often are they going to be put out for dinner parties?
Well, you don't like them, so never.
Well, no, because if you make really good Christmas cookies that nobody eats, you can keep using them the entire season.
This is a healthy cookie.
I heard John call them colon blow cookies.
Is that what he called them?
Yeah.
John, what did you call my cookies?
What's that?
These are healthy cookies, John.
Great, I haven't had one. I don't want my heart to stop.
Yeah, but don't you think if they had like dried cranberries and stuff, like they might be so
Yeah.
dry?
What makes them healthy exactly?
There's no sugar,
Okay.
and the flour is good flour.
They're healthier.
Yeah, healthier. Yeah.
The only sugar is
Whole grain flax.
How about the chocolate chips? Those sugarless?
Yeah, the chocolate chip is the only thing that has sugar. These are not yours.
Hey,
These are
on your
wheat.
bum, on the chair.
These are wheat. You made your own. You know where yours are, right? Okay. Ask Bobby to help you.
All right, well, Lashanto, here's Lashanto's lovely cookies. Do they have a name?
Yes. What should we call them, Nina? The healthy cookie.
The healthy cookie? Are they colon blow cookies?
What the hell's a colon blow cookie?
Well, they're better
diarrhea
than a
from my
suppository.
These are the cookies from the new planet.
The cookies
Yeah,
from the
these
new.
are the new planet cookies.
How is your house?
Oh, okay.
The recipe from the
Yeah.
13
Yeah.
grandmother.
Oh, okay.